Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration 2. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic cottage decor is a warm, nostalgic and nature-inspired style of interior decorating that blends the timeless charm of vintage pieces with the early coziness of rustic design and the storybook simplicity of cottage living. It creates a lived-in, soulful atmosphere that feels welcoming, romantic, and close to nature. Here is a breakdown of its essence, core characteristics. Vintage influence incorporates old time-worn furniture, antique finds, flower market treasures, and heirlooms with a sense of history. Rustic touches use natural, raw, and imperfect materials such as wood beams, stone fireplaces, wooden finishes, and Halloween textiles. Cottage warmth adds coziness with soft colors, floral prints, layered fabrics, and an inviting, slightly whimsical feel. Furniture and decor use vintage wooden table, farmhouse chairs, distressed cabinets, iron or brass beds, cozy upholstered setting. Decor elements, messengers, enameled antique mirrors, lace curtains, patchwork quilts, floral patterns, and handmade crafts. Lighting, soft warm glow from lanterns, candeliers with a patina or simple cottage lamps. Atmosphere, inviting and homely, even each feels like it has a story. Imperfections are celebrated. Nature connection, fresh flowers in a rustic vase, botanical prints, natural light, and garden-inspired details. Timeless comfort, spaces are designed to feel restful, nostalgic, and soulful, like stepping into a cozy countryside retreat. Vintage rustic cottage decor is about weaving together the poetry of the past, the raw beauty of nature, and the coziness of cottage living. It is not about perfection, it is about soul, warmth, and character. A style of storytelling at its heart, vintage rustic cottage decor is storytelling through objects and spaces. Every crockery, wooden chair, even handmade quilt, every weathered jug holds narrative. It is not about showroom perfection. It is about a home that feels lived in, loved, and layered with memory. Think of it as weaving together rustic soul, raw wood, stone, natural textures, vintage charm, antiques, heirlooms, flower market finds, cottage coziness, soft fabrics, florals, welcoming spaces. Deeper look at design features. Furniture without finishes, you tipped paint or faded polish is impressed, not hidden. Mix and match pieces. A farmhouse table with different chair styles feels natural. Multi-use items. An old trunk becomes a coffee table. A ladder becomes a blanket rack. Walls and floors. Walls softly painted in white screams or peely pastels. Sometimes adorned with floral wallpaper or wood paneling. Floors. White wooden plank, sometimes painted white or left natural with a own rug over them. Stone floors in kitchens or entryways add earthy grounding. Decor and accents. Displayed collections like Tannerty cups, vintage books, and enameled. Fresh flowers in simple pictures or gem jars. Old photographs in distress frames. The color spread base, white, cream, soft base. keeps the look airy. Accents faded blue, shades green, soft pink, battered yellow, and gentle pastels. Rustic grounding, burnt wood, stone gray, terracotta. This palette makes the home feels calm yet alive, never harsh. The atmosphere you step into. When you walk into a vintage rustic cottage inspired home, you feel the soft scents of dried lavender hanging in the kitchen, the warmth of a quilt folded on a chair, ready to be used, the quiet ticking of a clock with the own face, the sense that the space is not staged, it is lived in, authentic, and soul-shooting. The deeper meaning. This style appeals because it feels human and soulful in an age of mass production. It is a gentle rebellion against the disposable. It honors craftsmanship, memory, and the poetry of imperfection. It says home is not just where we live, it is where our stories rest. The soul of vintage rustic cottage decor. This style is not just furniture and colors, it is a philosophy of home. It is about simplicity, embracing a slower, more mindful life. Memory. Surrounding yourself with objects that carry stories. Nature. Letting wood, stone, plants, and sunlight become a part of your decor. Cozy imperfection, a chipped mug, a crinkly floor, or patchwork walls are not flaws but character. It is the opposite of fast decor. It is about letting your home feel like a lived-in poem. Key layers of the style: architecture and structure, exposed wooden beams, stone walls or painted paneling, low ceilings or slanted attic rooms that feel intimate. Cottages often have nooks, alcoves, and corners filled with charm. Everyday objects as decor: a basket of knitting left by a chair, iron hooks holding aprons in the kitchen, a shelf of mismatched teacups, each with its own story. Mason jars used for fresh herbs or wildflowers. Seasonal flowers: spring fresh blossoms, pastel linens, airy curtains, summer wicker furniture, light cotton fabrics, open windows. Autumn: plaid straws, pumpkins, dried flowers, warm oak tones. Winter: old blankets, candlelight, pine greenery, and stone fireplaces. The cottage shift mood with the seasons, always staying in harmony with nature. Textures everywhere: rough stone beside soft lace, old leather chair with a hand-knitted shawl. The strays are paired with delicate porcelain. This contrast of hard and soft makes the style so alive. The feeling it creates: when you are in a vintage rustic cottage setting, you feel nostalgia, stepping into a grandmother's kitchen where time has solid. Comfort: every seat invites you to sit, every blanket invites you to wrap up. Romance: flickering candlelight, floral patterns, gentle pastel tones. Belonging: as if the home has been waiting just for you. Why people love it today? In our busy, modern, tech-driven lives, this style feels like an anchor. It offers a retreat from speed into slowness, a connection to craftsmanship in a state of mass production, a daily reminder of nature, memory, and home's gently impress. The sense at a glance. Vintage rustic cottage decor is about living in harmony with simplicity, memory, and nature. It is not sleek or polished. It is tender, aged, and filled with layers of life. Homes in this style whispers, come in, rest, and stay a while. It blends vintage grace, heirlooms, antiques, flower market treasures, rustic grounding, old stone, iron, hand-woven pictures, cottage coziness, floral prints, soft coils, gentle lighting. Objects with a story. Every item in a vintage rustic cottage is more than decoration. It is a fragment of history. A chipped enamel picture becomes a vase for wildflowers. An old trunk holds blankets and also serves as a table. Mismatched teacups feel charming because each had its own past. Books with yellowed pages sit stacked beside a reading chair. Unlike modern styles that hide flaws, this one celebrates imperfection because imperfections is human. Atmosphere in the home, living room. A stone fireplace with candles or logs stacked beside it. A mix of chairs and sofas covered in floral or plain fabrics. Handmade throws strapped casually, never too arranged. Kitchen, open shelves with messengers, pottery, and cinnamon. Herbs hanging to dry, copper pans with a natural patina. A big wooden table, often the heart of family gatherings. Bedroom, iron or wooden bed frames with layered coils, lace or linen curtains that let the morning light in. Bedside tables with vintage lamps and fresh flowers. The emotional side. This style is not about fashion, it is about feelings. Nostalgia reminds you of family homes, grandparents' kitchen, countryside retreats. Romance, candlelight, florals, old ledgers, a sense of timeless beauty. Page. Life feels slower, simpler, and closer to the earth. Belonging, a home that feels deeply personal, not staged. The philosophy of living. Vintage Rustic Cottage Decor says, use thought you have, repair, reuse, repurpose. Surround yourself with objects that carry meaning. Let nature flow in, through flowers, light, and seasonal changes. It is more than a style, it is a way of cherishing life, a small choice. A home that holds time. Vintage Rustic Cottage Decor is almost like a living scrapbook. Every object carries history, a rocking chair worn smooth by years of use. A quilt stitched by hand, each piece holding memory. A bookshelf of weathered novels with notes scribbled in the margins, instead of chasing newness. This style asks, what already has soul? What feels lived in? Layers of charm, imperfection as beauty. A cracked jug, used as a vase, is more charming than a flawless one. A slightly crooked shelf looks more authentic than something factory made. Scratches, stains, and patina are not flaws, they are proof of life. Nature's presence, wildflowers in messengers, even on windowsills, bowls of pine cones or chisels. Wooden furniture that still shows its grain. Rooms designed to welcome sunlight, breeze, and the rhythm of seasons. Handmade soul, crochet towels, embroidered pillowcases with the troughs. Furniture that's repurposed or crafted with hands, not machines. Small imperfections in handmade pieces that make them unique. Atmosphere you step into. When you walk into a vintage rustic cottage space, you feel the warmth of a hearth, even if there is no fire burning. The comfort of textures, old linen, cotton, all imparting touch. The gentle quiet, a ticking clock, the rustle of lace curtains in the breeze. The timelessness of feeling that life here moves slower, kinder, softer. Why this speaks to us today? It's a world of speed and technology. This style offers century, a place of calm and comfort, connection to nature, to memory, to loved ones, past and present. Authenticity. Every object feels chosen, not purchased in haste. Simplicity. Living with less but with more meaning. The philosophy in one line. Windows Rustic Cottage Decor is not just about decorating a house. It is about nurturing a home that feels alive with memory, nature, and comfort. A home that feels like a memory. Windows Rustic Cottage Decor is not about design rules. It is about emotion. When you walk into such a home, it does not feel staged or perfect. Instead, it feels like a place where family recipes have been cooked for decades. A room where letters are once written by lamplight. A cottage that has listened to laughter, storms, and silence alike. It is nostalgia turned into a living space. The hidden philosophy. This style quietly teaches us that home is about comfort, not display. Objects with history carry soul. Nature belongs inside as much as outside. Imperfections are not flaws, they are beauty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.